All right. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Hey guys, I wanted to thank our sponsors GameFlip ICO, where you can get paid to play video games. Check out their token sale page for more information and a chance to win $1,000 in GameFlip tokens. Their ICO is live today and runs until January 29th.
I love me some DJ Quad.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? Merry Christmas Eve.
Happy holidays, guys.
Is Sam Capizzi and Snaebot here at Cryptosomniac to bring you everything crypto related, where the markets never sleep and neither do we. Today is Christmas Eve, and there's a Christmas sale going on right now. And today we're going to select our top 5 coins that are on sale that we'd recommend checking out.
Do you want the chat up?
Yeah, the all chat.
Yeah.
Ooh, let's bring up the whole chat. There we go.
Snay, where's the hat?
Yeah, Snae's missing his hat.
Yeah, I'm missing the hat.
What's going on, guys? Let's put you guys over here for the time being.
Merry Christmas, Insomniacs. I mean, I actually am leaving for a to a flight actually overseas to India. And actually about 5 hours. So after this stream, I'll actually be leaving to the airport. So we haven't slept. We just stayed up all night, you know, working on the website and doing all sorts of goodies.
All right, guys. EOS looks good. All right. So Bitcoin's down to 13.5K. This has been hovering around here for a couple of days. A lot of stuff is cheap. A lot of stuff is on sale. And today we're going to go over our top 5. And I don't know if you want to pick first. I think we'll just pick one at a time.
I will.
Do you want to use this computer instead?
I'll just tell you where to go.
Okay.
All right, you can scroll down first. And why don't we give that a nice little view all so we can continue to scroll.
All right. As he so pleases, we have the list of all cryptocurrencies.
Okay, well, no surprise here. I think my number, no particular order for me, but I think we'll do 6. How about we do that? 3 you, 3 me.
All right.
So even though it says top 5, EOS.
All right.
EOS,
789,
which is down 5% on the week, 12% as of the 24-hour. I would be picking some up, actually. I think I should be picking some up. Crypto Weatherman, yeah, that's me, guys.
Made a video.
Merry Christmas, guys. Merry Christmas. Have a wonderful holidays, guys. Hopefully you're enjoying your time off. You know, spending some time with your family, taking some profits, and reinvesting and learning more about crypto. So my number 1 right now is EOS, and it's just
no particular order.
No particular order, of course, but the number 1, you know, is EOS for me. Out of my 3.
And why?
So why? I think EOS, especially with Dan Larimer and leading the pack. We've been to a lot of blockchain conferences, and there's a lot of buzz around EOS right now. And we could actually go to TradingView.
All right, let's open up TradingView.
Let's open up that TradingView. Oh, you made a folder.
Mm-hmm.
It's really nice. Okay.
This is a chart we made earlier. This is gold. Anyway, let's hold on. Let's pause for a moment. This is actually gold here in green since 2000 and about 15 almost to today. And that line is gold, and this one is Bitcoin. You know,
you want to be holding Bitcoin.
You want to be in Bitcoin these last several years.
Yeah.
We were trying to make a point. Anyway.
Wow, look at that MACD though, for BTC. I've never seen that. Have you?
I don't know what's going on.
Yeah, I've actually never seen that, and we're on the weekly, guys. I've actually never seen that. That's interesting.
All right, how do we start with a fresh chart here?
All right, so go to BTC, USD, and go to Coinbase. Actually, sorry, what am I doing? EOS. Just go to EOS.
EOS.
BTC. Let's go to Bitfinex, and we're gonna pull this into the 4-hour. Whoa. Okay, and we're gonna expand this.
We should get rid of gold.
We're gonna get rid of gold. So
And
wow.
One sec, let me actually
guys.
pick up the. All right.
Wow. I don't want to say I'm good, but damn, I am so good. I am so good, guys. If you checked out my stream earlier, I charted this out. Wow, like Sam, I just gotta gloat a little bit. Wow. Look at that, guys. Like, right on the money.
It looks like we're about to turn around.
I said buy here, and guess what? I think it's time to accumulate ASAP for EOS. ASAP. Look at that. MACD's looking healthy. Looking like a nice little reversal here. Yeah, wow. I'm good, Sam.
Snay, you are the best.
Yeah. Hell yeah. Okay.
This is why we're doing this. This is why we're doing this.
Yeah. So before this, guys, I actually charted it out while it was back here, guys. I don't know, the 17th, 18th, 19th, and you know it's hitting my target. And
move chart, please.
Move chart. Oh,
we gotta move the chat. We need a skinnier chat or something. This chat is.
Oh wait. Aha.
Let me also do something. I want to take a few pixels off of the chat.
Scale? Oh, I know what's wrong with the scale too. Remember I messed up the scale, Sam? I messed that scale up real hard. Ah, default. Okay. So, this was my target,
guys. Let me
guys.
also skinny this up.
We're going to skinny that up for you guys.
Skinny that chart up.
EOS. Love EOS, Jacqueline Smith says. I agree. Who doesn't? EOS has a head and shoulders chart formation in the USD chart. Remember, I think Bitfinex is the only USD pairing that they have for EOS. I know Kraken shut that down.
Is this working? Yeah, that is.
Alright. That's fine, Sam.
Alright.
Alright, that's fine.
I cut it off a little bit too much. Alright.
Alright, that'll be good here. Where's the buy here? The buy here, I said, I predicted this back here, and I said, hey, it's gonna go down. I mean, it's had a similar 20 degrees, and then it went 27 degrees, and I said, hey, I'm gonna go right in the middle with 24 degrees down, and damn, that is just so beautiful. Let's go.
Someone asked a really good question. Terry Jepson, what is the deal with the daily token exchange? Can it be cheaper there? I think what you mean is purchasing it through ICO. If so, just clarify that, and I can answer that for you if that's your question.
Actually, Sam, answer that because I don't know.
Let me do one thing also. It looks like I shortened the chat a little bit too much again. Let me fix that. We want to make it.
While you're fixing that, you recently participated in, or you recently bought some EOS, right?
Yeah, I recently bought some EOS to test something out. I was trying to figure out if it was cheaper to buy it through ICO or buy it off the open exchange. And Terry says, yes, that is the question. So let me show you which is cheaper. Shit, I got to make that a little bit larger still. I still can't see his Chinese, the E in Chinese. 1 second.
Jesus.
There we go.
All right.
Trying to get the chat as skinny as possible.
This is my favorite crypto channel. So informative. Yeah.
Let me just see how fat the normal
your
YouTube stream is.
Your favorite channel.
Yeah,
but with
this
a
chat
lot of
is
bugs.
a little bit skinnier.
Yeah.
We'll look into another chat later. We'll we'll use this chat right here since it allows people from Twitter and Twitch to participate. Let me open up Twitch real fast, and then we'll answer that question about EOS. Do you want to pull up Twitch there? Because it'll give us some viewers, and then people will join as a result of that, actually. All right, so this is how you find out about EOS. You go to eosscan.io, and then you pull up my website, Cryptosomniac, and you go to EOS. So let's give it a refresh just so we have the most up-to-date information.
What?
Internet's being a little slow.
Yeah, I can't even.
Yeah, hit that likes button, guys. Do us a favor and hit that likes button. Stuff is being slow. My internet does not want to work right now. Let's close this tab down and let's just go right back to the website.
I'm online. All right.
I'm trying to go to Cryptosomniac. We're not loading.
So EOS, guys. Well, it's interesting because my computer's right next to yours, and
maybe we're soaking up all the internet right now. Let's try CoinMarketCap. Looks like our site's just being slow. So let's go to EOS. So the EOS's current price is $7.89, and remind yourselves that EOS, the price on CoinMarketCap, is an aggregate of all exchanges. You can go on other exchanges if you click on it and see the price of it, what it's going for. Or, yes, you can purchase through the ICO. So you go to eosscan.io, and here is the current price of EOS if you were to purchase through ICO. It's going for $2.86. And the way that they calculate this is it's pretty easy. This calculation is a very simple calculation. So if you actually just go to eos.io, they'll tell you how many EOS was sold today. So if you go to the token sale, they distribute 2 million EOS every single day, and they received so far 9,299 Ether. So the way that you calculate the current price, all this is doing right here on EOS Scan is doing this. If we open up the calculator and we take the amount of EOS that they've received today, keep in mind EOS has a 24-hour period and it resets every 24 hours. You go 9299, you multiply it by the price of Ethereum, and if we look at the price of Ethereum, it's 667.98, and we'll multiply that times 667.98, and we get that $6,211,540 were donated, and then we have to divide that by 2 million tokens, right, guys? Because that's how many they're dividing, and we get EOS's current token is 3.1, which is actually pretty close to this calculation. Looks like it's off a little bit. I'm not sure how often it updates, but it's pretty close. So that's how this guy is figuring out this calculation right here. So right now the price of it is going for 310 or 286, pretty close. Now you have to keep in mind that there's still 3 hours left on the ICO going right now, so it's obviously going to accumulate more Ethereum. And what you notice is I've actually watched this website many times up to the end of that 3 hour and 20-minute period, that holding period. When it ends, I've seen it very happen. And what happens is a lot of ETH flows in at the very end because people are trying to do exactly that. They're trying to buy EOS at a cheaper price than what it goes for on open exchange. And what's kind of bullshit in my eyes is that EOS, I'm sure, buys up what's left over such that it's still profitable when you still profitable for them. So I'm sure they buy up what's ever left over. Just kind of a little lame to me. But if you scroll down here, you can actually see the price of EOS tokens every single day of the ICO and what they went for. And if we scroll up to today's current date of the ICO, we are, yesterday went for 868, the day before that 770. Obviously we crashed a little bit, and it was even it was a little bit more expensive a couple of days ago, but you can see this is the current price that it's going for. It is cheaper to buy right now. Obviously that changes, and honestly it evens out to be pretty close. It doesn't really matter if you buy from the exchange or the token sale itself. It kind of fluctuates a lot.
For sure.
Guys, if you're on Instagram or Twitter, join us over on Facebook, YouTube, etc. I guess I'll pick my token. So
yep.
One thing I'm going to do is just sort this by like this, and just looking on the top 100 I think Tron is a great project, and I see it's the biggest loser here inside of the top 100. It has obviously had a massive run up though, but I think Tron is a great buy, and if you're looking to get into Tron and you haven't got in yet, now might be a pretty good time. It's the biggest loser of today in the top 100. We can also go to CoinMarketCap to see what has been the biggest loser in the past 7 days, which is something I also like to look at a lot of times as well. And if CoinMarketCap in my internet wants to work, it will sort that, and let's sort it the opposite direction.
These don't count.
These don't count. I don't notice a lot of these.
Oh, Einsteinium. Einsteinium down 56%.
Einsteinium is up there.
Wow. Get wrecked, Einsteinium. Alright.
Yeah, not noticing anything here that's too hot. If we sort by the last 24 hours, though, Tron is up there. We are not too far down this list. We're on the top 100 losers somewhere in this region right here. We were 24%, right?
Mm-hmm.
Should be somewhere in here. I don't know where. Let's Control AF it. Tron, one of the biggest losers in the past 24 hours. And I like Tron. If you've seen any of Justin Sun's recent tweets, he said, Justin Sun, we'll go to his Twitter. He's actually got a ton of news coming out. They said basically they plan to be launched on an exchange per week in 2018, is one of his tweets. Let's see if we can find that to verify. He posts a lot of tweets, so let's see if I can find that real fast. He posts a lot. This review. We are aiming to launch our mainnet in 2018. Okay. We will have developers send your resume. Great news. Very large exchange on Friday. Can you guess the name of the exchange? Maybe I missed the tweet. Anyway.
Dude's a marketing genius. Yeah, he is a marketing genius.
There's a lot of, and their code comes out on December 29th, I believe. You'll be able to view it. It's open source. It's not on big exchanges yet, like BitHum, yet, which could do major things for it. It's got a massive roadmap. It's a great project in my eyes. Like I said, I did a lot of research on it, and I think it's a great project. And yeah, here it is. We will have Tron open source on December 29th. And a lot of great things coming out of their camp, I suppose you could say. Thoughts on John McAfee? Yeah, he's crazy.
Dude's a legend. Dude's an absolute legend. He's eccentric, right? Eccentric millionaire. Says whatever he wants. Promotes shit like Verge, Burst, and Digibyte.
Coin of the day, Red Coin. We might as well just start following him and just buy him whatever tweet he loads. Let's take a look at Red Coin today, guys. Red Coin is up 40% in a sea of red.
Wow, look at that chart.
And why is it up? Because John McAfee is posting about it.
Yeah.
So if you want to know what coin to buy today, just follow John McAfee. And oh, Justin Sun said it on live stream. Maybe that's where I saw it. Maybe it wasn't a tweet. But yeah, he said they're launching in an exchange a week in 2018, approximately. Big claims, but he's been backing it up so far. But yeah, John McAfee's a stud. Anything he posts about seems to do well. He posted about Digibyte. He's posted about Red Coin. But anyway, Tron, I think, is a great coin. So we're at 2 coins now. So, Sine, what is your third coin of today's Christmas sale? Top coin to buy.
All right, so I'm just going through the list here. Wow, there's a lot of decent buys. BitConnect. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I am just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Everyone, go buy BitConnect.
No, this is not an endorsement, guys. Do not invest in a Ponzi.
Hit that thumbs up button, guys, or hit that likes button. And by the way, we will be giving away free crypto on the channel. We're actually giving away free Tron today for anyone who shares or retweets our most recent video that I believe we did together a couple nights ago.
Cool.
So we'll be giving away some free crypto, free Tron.
I'm
Wabi Sabi.
I'm gonna go ahead and say the tried and true ARK.
He's gonna go with ARK. So ARK is at, let's just order them by rank. ARK is around 40. I know off the top of my head. And look, I'm a baller. I know these charts. I don't even need to know. I just know exactly where it is.
Good Lord.
I'm a baller. I know these charts like the back of my head now. ARK is in at 40, and it's down 12%.
Let's look at those charts.
$6. We'll pull up the chart.
ARK BTC.
ARK/BTC. And we'll look at it on...
No, there's no slash. It's just BTC.
This is why I like TradingView, because it lets me or Coinigy, because it lets me do...
No, I said ARK BTC.
ARK BTC.
Alright, there you go.
Bittrex.
So let's actually pull this
Which
out.
video? I believe... What was the name of our video?
For when?
What was the name of our last video? If you go to twitter.com/cryptosomniac or facebook.com/cryptosomniac, I believe the most recent video that we have pinned to the top of the page. If you share that, you'll have a chance to win some crypto.
So guys, on Bittrex, ever since release, it has bounced off this upward supporting line here once, twice, 3, 4, 5 times.
We're pretty close to that line.
And we are pretty close, and we actually said, you know, to buy it down here.
Look at that MACD.
Here, and it exploded here. And so we're right now in the 4 hour, and let's look at the hourly. Hourly's looking pretty, actually pretty weak here as well. But again, I think it will recover very strong. I think it's one of those Gen 3 blockchains like IOTA, like Qtum, like what I call Neo Gen 3. Yeah, I'll call Neo Gen 3.
I call Neo kind of like 2.5.
2.5. Okay. The same. You're gonna have a pretty good video about that. But I think ARK has a lot to prove. But I think it's gonna do really well throughout 2018, and that is why I picked it. I mean, it's super low if you're looking at it. It's super low if you're looking at it on the charts here. Hopefully you guys can see that. Hold on, let me make sure. I like it. I like it. I like it a lot.
I don't like it. I love it.
All right.
All right. That's coin number 3. Coin number 4 for me, I already know off the top of my head because I was looking at it earlier, is a steal right now. And I've said it on air. This is the 3rd largest coin in my portfolio after Bitcoin and Ethereum. And it's a great long-term play. And it's been quiet, and because they don't need big marketing. They don't need a lot of news. They have a parent company. They have all that they need. Their mainnet has yet to launch. Staking has yet to launch.
The hype is real.
The hype is real. Dun 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 dun. Is OMG.
OMG.
Seriously, look at those levels. OMG. $13 for an OMG. This is one of my biggest winners, if not the biggest winner of 2018. OMG. Just OMG. Oh my God. It's so cheap, guys. It is so cheap. I don't even have to look at the charts. I just can tell. I know it's so cheap.
Why do you like it, Sam? What's that key distinction of OMG right there, Sam? Why do you love OMG?
It's one of those MLM marketing pyramid schemes, and I love pyramid schemes.
Yeah.
I'm such a fan of pyramid schemes, and when you can get in early on a pyramid scheme, you can capitalize and kick out all the other noobs that get in off of it.
Good Lord. You know, if you keep saying that, people are going to believe you. OMG is not a pyramid scheme. It's a fantastic project backed by $1 billion company. A $1 billion legitimate company, right?
They're doing what Bitcoin and blockchain was really biggest thing is aiming to solve is banking the unbanked people.
True.
And yeah, when you're bored, just go buy OMG.
Absolutely. So we don't suggest trading when you're bored.
But when you're bored, go buy OMG.
But when you're bored, go. I've actually said that multiple times that
As per Fresh 2 Salt.
Yeah, as per, I was bored yesterday, so I bought some OMG. Yeah.
Yes, Sam.
Absolutely.
This is what we're saying. These coins are good to buy right now.
If you're like us and you itch to trade, you know, when you're like, I haven't traded in so long, and that's so long is like
2 minutes,
more than 12 hours. Yeah, pretty much, right?
Go buy OMG.
You just buy a single OMG, and you're like, hey, I made a trade. I made a positive difference in my life, you know.
So for people looking to make only a couple trades a month and no stop losses, what percentage of Bitcoin versus Ethereum would you hold? First altcoins, I'd say just 50%. 50% Bitcoin and Ethereum, 50% the rest. Pretty easy, nothing fancy. Anyway, coin number 5. So that was 4. Let's give, what's your third and final coin, and then I'll give mine.
My third and final coin. Let us go through it. Let us go through it. Okay, I'm just looking through it. Actually, let's look through it together, guys.
I got one no one's expecting.
All right, here it is. Here's my number 3. No surprise here. Huge fan of huge monitor lizards. I love lizards. So I'm going to go with Komodo. On the name alone, you know, Komodo dragons, and that's why I like it. No, I'm just kidding. Komodo's a fantastic platform. They have their barter decks coming up. Pretty much allows you to build decentralized applications. So, you know, complete decentralized ICOs, and it's an amazing platform. Delayed proof of work. The tech is there. They're a hardworking team. They've reached out to us twice and kind of fell through, but nevertheless, they're really hardworking. Okay, you know, I'm sure they're
smart
working.
Team.
They're a super smart team. Terrible marketing.
They are interesting. I wasn't sold at them at first, but I'm very safe when it comes to investing, and I think that holding a proof of work platform is good. I only know about proof of stake platforms, aside from Ethereum, which is eventually shifting to proof of stake, but I've said it many times. There are advantages to both, and if Ethereum moves to proof of stake, the only platform that I know of would be that runs off proof of work would be Komodo. So for a good, healthy, balanced portfolio, I think it makes sense to hold Komodo, just to stay balanced and be safe.
So here's the thing with Komodo. Okay, why does proof of work not work for a lot of coins? It's because it's too easy to manipulate by having, you know, large mining pools of Bitcoin. If one single Bitcoin miner, like, you know, these huge server farms, went over to a smaller coin, a smaller proof of work coin, they could essentially dominate that market. And so what Komodo has done is that they leverage Bitcoin's blockchain pretty much as a timestamp. So therefore, you have to break through Bitcoin's timestamp, and obviously it's virtually impossible, especially with these miner fees, right? And the hashing power required for Bitcoin. So they leverage Bitcoin's hashing power in their own blockchain to make it more secure. That's what I love about it, and it's a very novel idea, and it's super, super awesome. So Komodo, definitely a nice little long-term hodl there. So what did I say? I said ARK, EOS, and Komodo. Those are my top 3. How about you, Sam?
I just wanted to answer someone's question that I saw over on Twitch. Someone said they're in trouble with their wife and kids. I guess they've been too heavy into crypto and wanted to know, and said thank you for the channel. So thank you. And wanted to know any news about the Moon Lounge. The Moon Lounge is shifting to the Cryptosomniac Advantage. I know we've had a lot of inquiries the last couple days.
Yep.
It will be, signups should be available by the end of the week, guys, for January. We are live on YouTube. We are live on all platforms. We're always live at Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Twitch. It's all under Cryptosomniac. And in fact, if you want to win some free cryptocurrency here at the end of the show, all you have to do is reshare or retweet our recent video pinned at our top of our Twitter or Facebook. But we'll be having news on what the Cryptosomniac Advantage is, how you can sign up, how to get involved, and there will even be a free trial for anyone that wants to participate and isn't sure, because we know it's so good that you guys are going to want to stay. regardless. So we're even giving you guys a free trial in it all. So we will definitely recommend the Moon Lounge, the Cryptosomniac Vantage. It's shifting to that next month. And
oh, Sam Galloway, wow. Hey, what's up, man? He's in the Moon Lounge.
yeah, he is. What's going on? See, there you go. You have a first-hand recommendation. And it's only going to get a lot better, actually, Sam. We've been working on a lot of things in the background to really make the Moon Lounge via email. So, you know, you can get your updates via email and nice written stuff that we can give out to you guys. And you don't have to be in Slack and sort through all that information and filter it. We're going to filter it for you. All that noise, and we're going to just smack it into an email and give it to you that way. And it's going to include a number of things. But you'll see it all next week. But for my third and final coin, we each picked 3. I know I said top 5. Is a huge surprise. No one could have guessed Bitcoin. Bitcoin is what I called near the bottom. I did it yesterday in the fib retracements, and Bitcoin is still #1, guys. If you're a Bitcoin and a blockchain and cryptocurrency investor, you should be picking up more Bitcoin at these levels. Why not? If I had more fiat to invest in the market, I literally don't. I literally have all my money tied up in investments. I don't have any fiat. I don't pay myself any more than I need to live, and I invest everything else because I don't like to hold much liquid. I have a little bit to pay my bills, but that's about it. I don't have any more liquid. But if I was new to cryptocurrency, I'd literally an hour before this call, I helped my sister buy some Bitcoin just now because I thought it was a very good price, and I was like, Nicole, you got to go buy Bitcoin right now. It's a good price.
This is a true story.
It's a really good price.
True story. You walked her through the 2FA and everything.
It's
I mean, that's a fantastic recommendation, actually. Tell everyone about it.
Yeah, the Moon Lounge. Bitcoin is literally at a great price. We were at 20K. We're down about 40% almost from our all-time high. That's pretty good, 40%. A 40% discount on Bitcoin. How much more do you want? How much more do you want? I've told so many friends, they never listen. I know. It's taken me 4.5 years to get my parents and sister on board. 4.5 years. 4.5 years to get them on board. And it took me, 2 or 3 years to even understand what this whole blockchain and Bitcoin thing was about. So
Sam introduced
I don't blame them.
I think Sam introduced me to it in like 2010. I didn't even get invested until like 2012. And it took us at least it took me, I can't speak for Sam, but it took me a while to understand the revolutionary impact of what Bitcoin is trying to do.
Right? I don't even think I fully understood it, to be honest, at the time. I mean, I don't know that anybody does. You invest a little bit, and you watch it go up, and then when you see your money double in such a quick period of time, then you're interested, and that's obviously what I think gets everybody. You invest a little bit, and you go, oh wow, what is this about? Why did I double my money? And a couple of years ago, I decided to, learn a lot more about it, and now it's, paid off. And now I literally stay up all night trying to read as much as I can. It's hard to go to sleep because there's just so much to learn. I don't think, I still don't know it all. And it's really interesting with the addition of Gen 3 blockchains and trying to understand how things are going to scale and go cross-chain and how we're going to resolve the issues that we've already had. You can't spend enough time, I feel like, learning about it, and it pays off. I think it really does. Can you just donate and recap fast on the top for people joining just now? Yeah, the top 5, we actually extended it to top 3 mid-show because
top 6.
Snay did 3. What did I just say? Top what?
3.
Top 3. We did it top 3 each of us, so 6 total. We did number 1 was EOS from Snay. Number 2 was Tron by me. Number 3 by you was Komodo. Arc. Number 4 by me was OMG. Number 5 was Komodo. And number 6 was Bitcoin. Hit that thumbs up button, guys. We really appreciate it. We are live on all platforms, so if you want a chance to win some free cryptocurrency, we'll stick around for a couple more minutes to answer some questions and then give away some free crypto. So if you go over to the Facebook page or Twitter and share our most recent vid, you'll get a chance to win some free crypto. What are your thoughts on? What are your thoughts? Are more vendors starting to accept BCH instead of Bitcoin and charge extra, or drop BTC because of high fees? What article did we read earlier today on that very subject, Snay?
Say that again.
Natalie asks, what are your thoughts? Are more vendors starting to accept BCH instead of Bitcoin and charge extra for charge extra for, or drop Bitcoin because of high fees?
So BitPay actually, BitPay, one of the largest vendors, they actually completely stopped accepting any payment under $100. And that's pretty crazy. And they are also beginning to transition into Bitcoin Cash, which is alarming to me. And I really hope that Bitcoin and especially the Bitcoin devs get their head out of their ass, frankly, and fix this issue, scalability issue. Whether that be an emergency hard fork to a larger block size, or a ramp up on SegWit transactions, and pretty much not allowing legacy transactions. There's multiple ways to scale this very quickly, but it's getting ridiculous, guys. It's getting ridiculous. And, and it's tough, right? It's tough. I don't want to see Bitcoin fail. I think if Bitcoin fails, it takes down a lot of the market. So yeah.
Here's another one. Tor Project. Due to the current state of the Bitcoin market, our payment processor BitPay will not allow us to accept donations of less than $100 USD. However,
as well as
we can also accept donations, including smaller donations, through Bitcoin Cash.
So this is
we are noticing some vendors are shifting.
So another big service.
I think it's going to take a long time to catch up, though.
There's another big service called eGifter, which uses the BitPay API or platform, right, for Bitcoin transactions. They said that they no longer accept anything under $100 if you're buying with Bitcoin. Ridiculous. Hey, Chryson. Hey, guys. What does shilling mean? Shilling
is the act of promoting a coin falsely.
No, I wouldn't even say falsely. I would just say
with no real intent. It's like go buy the shit coin. It's like saying go buy. I'll just pick a coin for you.
Go buy BitConnect. That's what it's like.
Yeah, go buy BitConnect.
Go buy BitConnect.
It's like closing your eyes.
Right?
It's like going to view all, closing your eyes, and saying D Corp. Go buy D Corp. It's the shit. It's so amazing.
Because you own a lot of it, you want to pump your coin, and that's what and that's what we always say. Don't ever listen to one YouTuber. Don't even listen to us. Do your own research, and we facilitate that research. We have courses. We have the Moon Lounge. We have the upgraded Moon Lounge coming out in January, and
we are getting some slow issues on the site. I don't know what's going on right now. I'll have to look into it. Someone asked why is the site not loading. I'm not sure, unfortunately. It is being slow for me too. Maybe it's
on break
our
for
servers. Yeah, it's Christmas Eve, guys. Go enjoy the time with your family. We should all buy a Whopper coin.
A Whopper coin, great.
We could all shill Whopper coin if you want. We could get on that.
Great. Yeah.
We could all get nice and fat.
That's essentially a pump and dump. I don't particularly agree with John McAfee's doing.
I don't know how much I believe in Digibyte and Redcoin. He's kind of just,
and even I hold a shit ton of Verge, and I don't even believe in Verge. What does that even mean? I bought it for $500 8 months ago.
We always get questions about the Moon Lounge. I just don't understand. So we are opening up the Moon Lounge or changing it rather to something different next month. If you want to get more information on what the Moon Lounge is, head over to our website, cryptosomniac.com, sign up for our newsletter, and you will get an update late next week for when you will be able to sign up for the Cryptosomniac Advantage, which is what we are shifting it to. It will be a lot better, in my opinion, and a lot more resourceful, and a lot more accessible, especially for those of you that don't want to filter through all the different Slack messages that come in and stuff. So just wait till next week. We'll be releasing more information. And we'll let you guys, of course, know. But we're going to give away some free crypto here on the channel. So you guys know, if you're new to it, we use a random number generator. And someone just donated $2 to the stream, and we have to answer your question. Thank you, Shamtaigi. So the NXT airdrops December 27th. 20K Satoshis.
I love that little gift though.
We're going to the moon.
Yeah, we're going to the moon. Thanks for donating the $2, bro.
Yeah. So I'm not positive what the question is. It just says 20K sats question mark. So there is an airdrop for NXT. They're giving away Ignis coins. If you are on, there's a couple exchanges that are supporting it. And if you type in Ignis airdrop, the biggest two that I know of are Bittrex as well as HitBTC. So right here, the Ignis ICO and airdrop, if you have NXT on the December 28th at block 1,636,363, which is approximately December 28th, on any one of these exchanges, HitBTC, AEX, Bittrex, Bitcoin Indonesia, Upbit, Free Wallet, or Stocks.exchange, you will be gifted 500 Ignis tokens.
And just a disclaimer, guys.
Or maybe 500 million.
So just a disclaimer. If you have your NXT on Poloniex, you cannot transfer it to Bittrex.
This is true. We tried this in prep for it.
Yeah, exactly. And so we had to transfer it to HitBTC. Right?
Yes. And you have to transfer it, either to HitBTC or you can transfer it to another wallet and then shift it to Bittrex.
Wallets that they show you, but I think HitBTC is...
HitBTC is pretty good exchange.
Popular,
it's a really good exchange. We use it.
Out of those, what I've seen,
yeah,
it's probably the most popular.
In fact, let's just take a quick look at NXT and see if Bittrex is more popular or HitBTC. Actually, Bittrex is. A lot of people must have moved it over to Bittrex, but HitBTC is right there. Even Bitcoin Indonesia is bigger. Wow, that's crazy. Never even heard of Bitcoin Indonesia. Anyway, let's give away some.
Well, I just want to point this out on CoinMarketCap right now. We are looking at a JP Morgan asset management ad. That's pretty crazy.
I see the weirdest things up here sometimes. I even saw they had the airdrop ad on here. They had the airdrop for it. And if we let this load, looks like unpause ad block. That's off. Disabled. Yeah, that's weird. I don't have a banner ad at the top like I normally do. That's weird. Anyway, let's give away some free crypto. And you guys know how we do it. So we use the random number generator. And 1 for Facebook, 2 for Twitter. So we'll type in 2 and we'll hit generate, and it looks like 1 for Facebook. So we'll go to facebook.com/cryptosomniac, and one lucky person who shared this video will get a chance to win, or not get a chance, but they will get a chance. So how to spot the bottom of a crash. We have 19 shares. Unfortunately, some people have privacy settings, so we have to count them by hand. Uno, dos, tres.
No, you don't count, Sam.
We'll skip me if it wins on me, but 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 people. So we'll pick a number between 1 and 9, and number 8. So Josh Bax, we'll take a snippet of you, and you just won today yourself some free Tron. So Tron was on the list of top cryptos to go out and buy. We'll save you for later. Head out and go buy it.
Yeah, go buy.
Chryson, we're actually still deciding on prices for the Cryptosomniac Advantage. We're not dead set on what it will be. We are offering discounts if you sign up for monthly, quarterly, biannually, or annually. This is what adoption is for YouTubers. So, YouTubers like yourselves are the voice of crypto, and brave users are here ready to give you our money. YouTube demand. You know what? I'd be interested to learn more about how I do that, because you're not actually the first person that's mentioned that. If you'd like to send me a message, Pandora's box, and
you can send it to cryptosomniac@gmail.com.
Or, just send it to sam@cryptosomniac.com. I'd be interested to just learn more about how I could get set up on Brave. I actually used to use Brave, and it was glitchy, so I stopped using it. I used to have it downloaded. Now I don't use it, but I'd love to learn more about how I could use it to accept payments, donations, crypto, whatever. It would be cool. I'm just not so totally informed. Like I said, email us that link if you could. I'll check out that link, but if you could email us and just let us know, go to sam@cryptosomniac.com, and I'd love to learn more. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys.
I got a flight to catch.
heart this video, like it, share this video for a chance to win some free crypto tomorrow during the Christmas special, and you'll get a chance to win some free cryptocurrency. So thanks everyone for watching.
Thanks, guys.
And remember to stay crypto-somniacs, because the markets never sleep, and neither should we.
Peace out, guys.
See you guys later.